Mansory has added the Venatus SE to its lineup of comprehensive vehicle conversions. Revealed in 2025 for the 2026 model year, this project is the German tuner's first complete overhaul of the Lamborghini Urus SE, marking its entry into bespoke hybrid SUVs. The world debut took place at the Monaco Yacht Show, a fitting location that appeals directly to clients seeking ultimate exclusivity and presence. The Venatus SE dramatically redefines the Urus using extensive forged carbon fiber. The new carbon front end features enlarged air intakes, complemented by an ultralight hood with cooling vents for visual flair and technical function. The redesigned apron also incorporates Mansory's signature, eye-catching star-shaped daytime running lights. From the side, bold new skirts lower and visually elongate the stance. At the rear, the design is capped by a two-part carbon spoiler system, one on the tailgate and a choice of small or large roof spoilers, which reduces lift. A new carbon diffuser perfectly frames the bespoke three-pipe sports exhaust system, emphasizing the SUV's performance focus. Every detail, from the mirror housings to the air intake covers, is finished in forged carbon, underscoring Mansory's meticulous approach. Inside, the cabin of the Venatus SE is a completely customizable space. Owners can specify unique color schemes, quilting designs, and material combinations, including Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber. The show car highlighted bespoke seatbelts, aluminum sports pedals, and leather floor mats. For a touch of drama, the start button is relocated to the headliner, which itself features integrated ambient LED lighting. Since no two Mansory interiors are ever the same, every aspect of the stitching and trim is tailored to individual taste. The Launch Edition, limited to just 7 units, is fitted with massive 24-inch FC.5 forged rims. These are wrapped in performance tires, 295/30 or 24 front, 355/25 or 24 rear. The 7-spoke design not only looks imposing but also helps optimize brake ventilation. The core of the Venatus SE is its hybridized 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. Mansory engineers thoroughly upgraded the powertrain with a new engine management system and the high-flow, triple-tailpipe sports exhaust. This tuning boosts the Urus SE's standard 800 horsepower to an astonishing 1,100 horsepower, while torque surges from 950 Nm to 1,250 Nm. This power output makes the Venatus SE one of the fastest SUVs globally, reflecting Mansory's commitment to pushing every base vehicle to its technical maximum. The limited production 2026 Mansory Venatus SE, based on the Lamborghini Urus, has no fixed price. Mansory Urus conversions typically begin around $400,000 and can exceed $2 million, depending heavily on customization and the base vehicle's cost. The SE likely denotes a special edition,